A bonsai soil mix should have good aeration, drainage and water retention. It should be easily drained out soil mixture. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your own bonsai soil at your home with almost no cost at all. Of course, you can buy the bonsai soil mix, but if you make your own, you can balance it for different plant needs. You just need to know how the elements in the mix work. So let's start. First of all, we need normal household bricks, small chunks for the mix. Brick particles absorb water and also good for drainage. It provides good aeration to the root system of the bonsai plant. Brick particle size from 0.3 inches to 0.8 inches will work fine. Use a hammer or whatever tool you have to break the brick into small chunks. As you can see in the video, in the standard bonsai mix, Akadama is used, which is also baked clay, but it's softer. These brick chunks are also clay, but much harder. Still, it retains water and creates excellent drainage. Next thing we're going to need is cocoa peat to hold the moisture in the bonsai soil mix. The extraction of coconut fiber from husks gives us this byproduct called cocoa peat, which is 100% natural growing medium. But you should know that too much of cocoa peat in the mix is bad for it because it holds water. You can buy cocoa peat at very low prices, but we will make it by cutting the coir rope into small pieces with the help of a scissor. Cut the fibers like this and your cocoa peat will be ready. Of course, it will be easier to buy, but we are making with the items available in our houses and it's fun. Next, we are going to collect two things. First is gravel, and it's very easy to get the gravel. We will take the normal red sand. It consists tiny stones that are used in the bonsai soil mix. All we have to do is to strain the sand with a strainer, and very easily we can separate the sand and the gravel. We will use these small gravel particles in our soil mix. And the remaining sand, which is strained, is going to add up in our mix. It's a great combination to mix the sand, gravel and garden soil. These three elements also create a great potting mix. So we have our sand now as equal proportion as brick chunks, cocoa peat and the gravel. Next thing is garden soil. Garden soil itself has enough nutrients to grow the plants. I was listening to a very experienced bonsai expert. He said that it's not right to say that bonsai mix is the only thing that will grow a bonsai tree. You can grow a bonsai in a normal soil too, because it's also a plant. But in order to grow fast and keep it healthy, we add necessary items according to the plant needs. I will give you the link of it to get the expert views about a bonsai soil mix. He was also talking about the brick chunks uses. If you want to see it, let me know in the comment section. So we will use the garden soil, double from the other items. Now we mix all these things together, mix it really well, and the final mix should look like this. Your bonsai soil mix is ready. I will repot a bonsai in this mix very soon. So give this video a thumbs up if you think you learned something today, and subscribe for more such videos.